Alright, good morning. It is Tuesday, and this is NTI Day 2 overview for Demo High School Engineering. Yesterday, I sent you a Day 1 overview assignment where you had the opportunity to tell me about the task that you're going to be solving with your compound machine, and also list out some of the criteria and constraints. And if you look at this Day 1 overview video, you'll see a little bit of an example that I posted for you there. Now, to make this a little more streamlined for you, some of you didn't get a chance to respond yet, so I look forward to hearing what you're going to be putting up there. And as you're going, to help you with an option for your daily journal, I've sent you this NTI #1 Compound Machines slideshow. So what you can do here is use this both as your daily journal and as the start for your project presentation when you're done. The fan is kicking on my laptop here. Hopefully that's not too loud over top of the video. As you go down through this journal, you can edit this to match your problem. What I've created for you here is a framework. You'll see that there is a Day 1. So if you didn't get a chance yet to do the assignment for Day 1, you can go ahead and do that right here. And then down through here, there should be an entry for each day. And just journal out as you go through each day. For example, today is brainstorming. I'll show you an example of that in a second. There's a planning, prototyping, and there's several prototyping days. Trial and error, this is when you're going to test your machine. And then a couple days to finish out your report and upload a video. Okay, so that's the journal. Let me show you an example of the one that I'm working on here. So, compound machines, if you go to yesterday's post, you'll see this video, and you can also watch it here. So the problem, my Day 1 define the problem, is can I make a machine to launch a tennis ball? So some of those criteria are listed over here that I went over yesterday. Then over here are some constraints that I need to make sure I pay attention to while I design this machine. Now, this is not a Rube Goldberg machine, so let me just clarify that. I know the example that I showed you when we were at school together was a Rube Goldberg machine. You can definitely do one of those, but the goal is a compound machine. That can be something of your own design. That can be a Rube Goldberg machine of sorts. That's up to you. Alright, so for the machine that I'm doing as an example, some ideas I have for today for brainstorming. I'm thinking this is a machine that's used to throw clay pigeons, and I'm thinking if I could get an arm like this that's pulled by some sort of spring, that might throw the tennis ball real well. And then I need a way to crank it up, so I had in mind this is a crank that comes off a boat winch. And I'm not sure exactly how yet I can put that together, but I have a few ideas, so this is sort of the inspiration for how I might wind the arm back and hold it in place. Then over here, I don't have a big spring like this, but I do have sitting around some old bicycle inner tubes. I don't think they're good anymore for holding air, but they might make a nice spring or elastic force. Okay, so that's sort of my Day 2 brainstorming. I need to poke around today a little bit more and look at how I might construct these things. And then looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you come here, you'll see some sketches of machine concepts that I'm going to work on for you to look at. Alright, so let's get back out of there. So if you go to your assignment, today you're going to see Compound Machine Daily Journal. That'll be sitting right here. Also here in a minute you'll see this video posted, so you'll see that along with a few other things that I'm going to share with you for today. So good luck, hope you have a good day, and look for another update tomorrow.